Hi guys, welcome to Pit Stop. So today I am with the all new Dominar 250, and when I was doing a review of this bike, I got so many requests that telling we have to do a mileage test with the Dominar 250. So today I am going to do a real lifetime driving and wanna check how much mileage the Dominar 250 is giving. So the all new quarter liter motorcycle from Bajaj, it looks exactly like the Dominar 400, right? So let us see how much mileage this bike is giving, and I'm gonna ride it in a very calm way on real-time riding conditions, and let us check how much mileage this is giving. So before getting into the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please do follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So it's Pit Stop Weekly. Kindly subscribe and support, guys. So let's kickstart the video. So we are doing a mileage test with the all new Dominar 250 because we got so many comments. So we'll be riding in a very calm way today, because if you ride it a bit rough, we cannot really judge how much mileage we are getting. So the price of the Dominar 250 is rupees 1.6 lakh, which is to be exactly 30,000 rupees lesser than the Dominar 400. So the Dominar 400 is a great touring motorcycle, so as the Dominar 250 with a smaller capacity engine. So it gets similar styling like the Dominar 400 with all LED headlamps, double barrel exhaust, all digital instrument cluster and the split seating. So but the Dominar 250 gets slimmer tires and it uses a smaller engine, as we all know. So the Dominar 250 weighs just 4 kilograms lesser than compared to the Dominar 400. So the curb weight of the Dominar 250 is 180 kilograms. Powering the Dominar 250 is the same 249cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine as the KTM 250 Duke, and this one is good for producing a respective power and torque outputs of 27 bhp and 24 Newton meters. Alright guys, so the fuel is over, 1 liter fuel is over, and we got 37 kilometers of mileage for the Dominar 250. So this is just a mileage test, and this is a brand new bike, so there will be like slightly 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer variations when you do the first service. I am not sure about that, but we were driving very calmly on a very well-mannered way. We didn't ride rough at all, because when you ride rough the mileage also changes. So we wanted the Dominar 250 to show the best mileage, so that's why we were driving on a very calm way, and we got 37 kilometers of mileage for the Dominar 250 in the initial mileage test. And that's it guys, this is a mileage test video. Hope you guys liked it, and kindly subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye.